Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Guys, I'll be making this lovely chocolate bag here. Please make sure you watch this tutorial from beginning to the end for better understanding. So first thing first, you have to prepare your pattern. You have to wrap your letterboard with your foam. Then after that, I'm just going to wrap it. So the length for the body part is 7.5 and the width is 10 inches. This is the body aspect. And for the flap, the length is 4.5 while the width is 9.6 inches. So guys, please, for the gusset aspect, I'll be making videos soon for all of my clutch purses gusset aspects. So please guys, make sure you watch out for this video. Please stay glued, stay tuned on my channel. Please don't go anywhere. Just stay glued to my channel to get more updates, more videos from me. So I'll be showing you how to get the pattern, how to stitch it and all that. So please guys, make sure you stay tuned to my channel. So the next thing is, after wrapping the gum to the flap, then I'm just going to wrap my flap, just wrap it with the fabric. Guys, now I'm through wrapping the body, the flap of my bag. So I'm just going to take a measurement of a 0.3 inch where I'm going to glue the flap to the main body of the bag. So the measurement is a 0.3. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of gum, energy gum, to the tip of my flap and also to the body part of my bag. So I'm just going to wait for it to just for it to dry a little bit. Then I'm just going to glue my flap to the main body. So this is the inner part of the bag. I'll already wrap it with my lining. Guys, for the measurement of the inner part, the length is 11.2 inches while the width is 9.6 inches. So guys, for the letterboard, I make use of chipboard to actually wrap the lining. So guys, now I'm just going to use my flatbed machine to stitch my flap and to join my flap and the main body together. Guys, I'll be sending a shout out to one of my subscribers. This person's name is Silver Brown. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for every of your support, for always commenting on every of my tutorials. Thank you so much. I don't know who this person is, if it is a female or a male, but thank you so much for every of your support. We love you so much. Thank you. I'm through joining the body and the flap together, and now I'm just going to take the inner parts letterboard and I'm just going to take my pocket and stitch to the inner part of my bag. So for the pockets, guys, you can use any measurements. You can use whatever measurement you would like to use, but for this particular purse, I make use of 5.5 inches for the width, and for the length I make use of 2.2 inches. So guys, please, you can make use of any measurement. This tutorial is just to guide you on how you you know, just to give you an hint on how to make yours. You can do something marvelous and, you know, beautiful than this, you know. So guys, please make sure you watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding. Guys, like I said earlier, I'll be making a video where I'll be explaining how I get, or how I was able to derive to this shape for the corset. I mean, the pattern. I'm going to show you guys the pattern of how you can get your shape, how you can how do I put it now, how you can get this shape of this corset. So guys, please make sure you stay tuned to this channel for more updates so that you can watch this particular tutorial. I'll be dropping it soon. Please watch out for my new video. So guys, after, you know, gluing my leatherboard to my fabric, I'm just going to, you know, just stitch it with my lining. Like I said in one of my videos, the lining I'm making use of line is called shining lining, shining face lining. That is what I use for all my purses. Still working on the corset aspect. So guys, so right now what I'm going to do is to fold it into two and then stitch the bottom aspect. Guys, note, when you're stitching, don't stitch on the leatherboard, only on the fabric. Stitch on the fabric alone. This is the inner aspect of the bag, so I'm just going to look for the center of where I'll be placing my magnets, and from the pocket I'm just going to take 0.5 inch and just, you know, just fix my chain holder to it. So this is the corset aspect which I've applied gum to it, so I'm just going to glue it to the inner parts, inner leatherboard of my bag. So I'm through with the outer parts, the inner part, and the corset aspect of the bag. And now the next thing I'm just going to do right now is to glue both the inner part of the bag and the outer part of the bag, just to use my energy gum and glue everything together. Note guys, I am not making use of any other gum than energy gum. So all you just have to do is apply the gum to the inner parts, you know, to the leatherboard with the fabric. So just apply gum to it, wait for it to dry a little bit, let it dry very well, and you can just glue everything together. So guys, this tutorial is coming to an end, so I'm just going to apply gum also to the bottom and to the back side of this purse, and after that I'm just going to make sure I put my magnet to the front part of my purse. Guys, after putting the magnet, I'm just going to apply energy gum to, you know, to the tip of my purse, and afterwards I'll wait for it to dry a little bit and glue everything together. Please, if you have any question, kindly drop your question under the comment section. And also, if you find this video interesting, please click on the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. I love you all, and please guys, watch out for my next coming video. It's gonna be awesome. I love you all, and God bless you.